What's good about the truck is ain't nothing wrong with the truck. If you get I don't haul the trailer with the tank on, the same tank out there. You do for years. I don't try.
If you got that motherfucker in and keep it moving, you're gonna be right. You're gonna be right. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can help you do that.
I got one set of wheels, the other side got another set of wheels. You can have both systems. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to get it out my driveway.
Yeah, other thing about it, man, I got like 4, 5 goddamn trucks.
Hey,
I got this truck, got this truck. You got another truck. You know? I got like an S10, okay, S10, a drop on the front and back, okay, new upper and lower control arms, new springs, new shocks, new rotors, new drop spindles, new calipers, new sway bar that's on the front on each side with new shocks and new brake lines, and on the rear, new drop springs on the rear. Probably gonna try to just get it set up the front today, you know what I mean? You know, right now I'm breaking everything down today. And cleaning it up. And then I gotta put the suspension together. And then, you know, between there and tomorrow I'll have the front done. And then do the back. Yeah, everything brand new from the top to the bottom. It's gonna be brand new.
Be sure to leave a comment below if you have any questions.
Hey, if you want to know more about this video, or if you have any questions for Mr. C, be sure to leave a comment below. He'll see it. We paired it. We see all the stuff, not just the negative. We see the positive stuff too.